Hello, let's get started on putting together your stretch canvas artwork. Start with your frame. Your frame can be sourced from a variety of vendors. Your frame will come to you in these 4 pieces. Fit the pieces together by inserting one end into its slotted side piece. If you do not have a mallet, you can use a hammer, but place something like a carpet sample or thick cardboard in between to avoid marring the wood. Carefully tap the pieces until they join snug. There is a top and a bottom. This will be the face. This is your back. It is important that you put the back side up when you stretch your canvas. Lay your canvas face down on a soft surface so that it is not marred. We use a packing blanket. Check to make sure your image all covers around the frame edges. Once it is aligned, fold one side over and staple it down. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 sides, keeping the canvas taut on the frame. Next, make a cut at the corner straight down, stopping just before reaching the wood frame. Then fold one side in tightly and staple in place. Carefully cut off some excess that would otherwise overlap. Finally, fold the remaining excess canvas under and fold the adjoining side over and staple it down. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 corners. A slight U or V shape is best when cutting away the excess canvas. Once all the corners are finished, you can carefully cut away any excess canvas edge that remains. And there is your beautiful stretch canvas artwork.